at all.
So I can hand it to your brother so he can shut the door?
Oh, why can't we the garage open?
Because there's no one going to be here.
I thought you said the
You're
jeep
good,
was.
you shut it.
I thought you said the jeep was here.
There you go.
How you know it's going down?
Put it up here. Thank you. There?
Why did the jeep not be mad?
Yeah, he's not going to be mad.
Oh, where is he?
At his house, probably. I don't know. Probably at his house, I would think. Looks like Miss Savannah's, huh? Looks like Miss Savannah's, huh?
Light on. Light on. Light on.
I can't put the lights on right now.
Why?
Because we're not going, there's too many people around. We're not going to an emergency right now. Put them on when we get up there, Joe.
Why?
Yeah, I'm on.
John! Why have your daughter tried drinking?
She was talking about joining the fire department when she gets married.
Oh.
She said something about it.
John, you know where you're going?
Nope. Yeah, kind of. That's why I had your dad drive in front of me so I could follow him.
Oh, my dad know you're following him?
Yep.
Where
I think I know where we're going, but I'm not 100% sure.
Where McDonald's?
Yep, this is McDonald's.
Yeah, where are they?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know if they're up there. They might be up there already. I don't know.
How you know?
I don't.
Yeah. We see McDonald's. Not yet. Yep. Now you know where we're going.
I didn't see them, so I should... No, I think so. I'm not 100% sure.
I see the ladder truck. You know which way the 520 is on?
What's that?
You know which way McDonald's 520?
Because you guys are getting pictures.
How you know?
Because I talked to your mom and dad.
Oh.
And you guys told me on Sunday. Monday, when I saw you. Doesn't look like Bill's leaving here.
Get Bill. Where you going?
Turning around.
Why?
So if we get a call, I don't have to worry about turning around.
If we do call, where we